This tutorial is about inserting different fields in the header and or footer in Word. First of all, we go to the Insert ribbon, click Header or Footer, in this case Footer, and then for what we want to do, we want to go down to Edit Footer, so we're not putting any boxes or fields in. This opens up the background area, which is the footer. First of all, I'm going to type my name, and then I'll press the Tab key, which is the key above the caps lock on the left side of the keyboard. This hops me to the middle of the page. On the ruler, you'll notice that there's a centre aligned tab at 8 centimeters and a right aligned tab at 16 centimeters. The problem we've got is that we've changed the margins, the default margins, so we now need to drag that right tab to the edge of the margin and do a quick bit of maths. Half of 17 is 8.5, so we'll drag the centre tab to 8.5 centimeters. So now my centre aligned item will be in the middle of the page. I'm now going to insert the file name. So I go to Quick Parts and then Field. In the field names list, because there's an item already selected, if I simply press the F key, it will jump down and find file name for me. I don't want to change any of the other options, so I just click OK. Press Tab again, and it's gone to the right aligned tab. And in here I want to put the page number and the number of pages. Go to Quick Parts, Field. Again, if I type the P, it will go and select page out of the list of field names, and I can click OK. I'm then going to type a space, the word of, and a space. Go back to Quick Parts and Field, and this time I want number of pages, which is called num pages, so I'm going to press the N key. Now it isn't the first item with N, so I keep pressing the N key until I can see num pages, and then click OK. So this is how you can enter that in. If you want things in the header, on here you can actually go to header, and it will jump you to the top. If you're in the header, you can go to footer. If I had multiple pages, so I'm going to close the header and footer and make a second page just to be. So I've now got 2 pages. I'm going to edit this footer. I can right click over the footer and click Edit Footer. I'm going to cut away this file name because I've got the file name at the top, but I might want the file name at the bottom on the second page, but not on the first page. So what I'm going to do is have a different first page, so that in the header of the second page I'm going to centre align that, and then I'm going to put in the file name. When I choose the different first page, I lose the footer that I've already created, so I'm going to copy the footer from the second page and then paste it into the first page. You'll notice that the cursor is on the line underneath. If I turn on the Show Hide, you'll see that it's added the return in, so it's created 2 lines. The problem with that is it pushes the footer up too far away from the bottom, so I need to press backspace to get rid of that extra blank line. So I've got no file name at the top of the first page, I've got the footer at the bottom of the first page, I've got the file name at the top of the second page, and the footer at the bottom of the second page. Because I went to put Show Hide on, I'm now no longer on the header and footer tool, so I need to click that so I can click Close Header and Footer, or I can simply press the Escape key. To view what you've done so far, go to File and Print to see the print preview. And on here we can see that we've got a different header on the second page than on the first page. Thank you very much.